Okay, so we are dividing by 8. So we list the 8 times table. Okay, so when we list the 8 times table, now, first question, how many groups of 8 can I find in 7? You cannot even find a number there, right? So if you can find 0, what do you write on top?
0. Then minus 0.
Then? Okay, so you minus 0. After that, 7 minus 0 is? 7. After that? Bring down the next number 0. Now, how many groups of 8 can I find in 70? Can you find the number 70?
No, 64.
What is the closest number?
64.
64 or 72?
64.
64. So, because you only can minus 64, so we will draw our arrow and then what? Count and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, this is the number 8 one. We count and we write on? 8. And then what number do we minus? The arrow pointing at 64. So we minus 64. Okay, so 70 minus 64, do your normal subtraction. 7. You regroup because not enough. 10. 10 minus 4 is? 6. After that, what happens next? Okay, bring down the next 0. So now, new question. How many groups of 8 can I find in 60? Can you find the number 60? No, then how?
56.
Closest number is 56. So draw your arrow and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count and write on top. Count and write on top. Remember, everything must align now. You must align all your place value and all your numbers. Okay? Then what do you minus? 56. The arrow pointing at 56. So you minus 56. So regroup because I cannot minus, become 5 and 10, right? 10 minus 6 is 4. Bring down the last 0. Bring down the last 0. Oops. Okay, use another color. Bring down the last 0. Okay, and then become 40. So how many groups of 8 can I find in 40 now? Can you find the number 40?
Yes.
Yes, I can find the number 40. So draw your arrow and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is number 5. Count and write on top. 5. So what do you minus?
40.
Minus 40 equals to 0. No more remainder. Okay? So the answer is 875. Okay? So, now can we try another one? Try the other one? Yeah, yellow. Maybe not yellow lah. Okay. Okay, now how many groups of... We are doing 2,500 divided by 4. So we will list the 4 times table. So we'll list the 4 times table. Okay, now what? How many groups of 4 can I find in? 2. Can find? Nothing. So what do I write on top? 0. What do I minus? Minus 0. 2 minus 0 is? 2. Then what do I do? Bring down the next number 5. Okay, how many groups of 4 can I find in 25? Can I find the number 25? Then, what's the closest number? Is it 24 or 28? 24. 25 can only minus 24, right? So I will draw my arrow at 24. And then, count and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the number 6. So number 6, what do I write on top? 6. Count and write on top. What number do I minus? Minus 24 equals to 5 minus 4 is 1. After that, bring down the next 0. Bring down the next 0. So, how many groups of 4 can I find in 10? Can you find the number 10? No. Then what's the closest number? Is it 8 or 12? 10 can minus 8 or can minus 12? Only can minus 8, right? So I will draw my arrow at 8. And then? Good. Count and write on top. 1, 2. So this is number 2. So what minus I minus? I'll count and write on top. Write the number 2 on top. What do I minus? 8. The arrow point at 8. Minus 8. 0 cannot minus 8. So I regroup from the 10th place. 1. I take away 1 from my neighbor and I regroup to my 1's place. 10 minus 8 is 2. After that, what do I do next?
Bring down the last zero.
Bring down the last 0. So, how many groups of 4 can I find in 20? Can I find the number 20? Yes, I can find the number 20. Then draw my arrow. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is number 5. Count and write on top. Then what number do you minus? Minus 20. The arrow point at 20. Minus what the arrow point at? 20 minus 20 equals to 0. Okay, so you should get 625. Good job.